welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. I love makeup and I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started on today's video. Alright you guys, so my hair is still wet. I am looking like a hot mess. I don't have blush on, no lipstick, so we need to fix that. Obviously, today, because yesterday I filmed with the red Freddy palette, today is going to be the Glamlite A Nightmare on Elm Street. And I think this is just called the Freddy Krueger palette, I believe. I think, yes, the Freddy Krueger palette. So, oh crap, y'all, I am the absolute worst when it comes to packaging, and sometimes I jump the gun and I take things out before they should be taken out, and then I can't figure out how to get stuff back in the packaging the right way. I'm sorry. Hot Mess Express over here. So here's the packaging. The outer box, I should say, there. And then here, I just want to show you the palette really quick, then we're gonna put some blush on, because I don't know, I'm just looking like off, and like my hair is just really limp because it's dry, or it's wet, and I'm just feeling like a mess right now. But here is that palette. And here is the inside. So this is kind of like, some of these shades are reminding me of the Camp Crystal Lake palette just a little bit, but I'm just absolutely loving this color story. This is more my style. I did film with the red palette yesterday. Y'all actually loved the look on Instagram. I was just feeling like a little, I mean, I liked the look, but the palette overall, I was like, I just feel like there's not a lot you can do with it, and I just felt like it was more like, I feel like Valentine's Day, that's going to be an awesome palette. So let's go ahead. I just got to get something on these lips. I am just like, I feel like I need like a lip oil or something, but I don't want to put a lip oil on and then the lipstick. So yesterday I wore the darker lipstick, so today we're going to do the one that's more dusty mauve-y, which is this one right here. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and put that on. Bring me back to life a little bit. Okay. Feeling a little better now. And then I'm also getting my hair done today, so I'm basically putting makeup on to just go get my hair done to basically get it messed up when I have to turn around and when we wash the dye out, because we do it, my niece does hair and we do it at my mom's house, so it's kind of like kitchen sink, you know, dipping your head in, and then, so yeah, I'm just, it's all gonna come off, you guys, in like 2 hours, but that's okay. So now we're gonna go in with the Chest of Souls blush trio. I absolutely love this blush trio right here. So yesterday I wore this shade, so today I'm thinking maybe this one, just a lighter pink. So let's go ahead and these are like super duper pigmented, so like you just need like the lightest little tappy tap into that. Like I barely touched it, and do you see that? Crazy pigmented. Crazy. Okay, so beautiful shade. It does look a lot brighter on screen than it does in person. Because of the bright lights, but this is like a beautiful blush. Just kind of pressing it in. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and we'll do our usual 2 looks. And also, are you guys more a fan of the red palette or the this palette, the more blue-greeny palette? I'm just curious. Okay, sorry. I really need to like get my table in order. I bought a little cabinet stand thing for me to like put everything on. It just, I haven't gotten to putting it together. So, okay, let's get started. I want to start with the shade. What do I want to start with? Let's start with the shade Asylum, which is this shade right here. Because that just looks like such a pretty dark green. Very, very, very pretty. So I'm kind of, because I'm just super low on running late on time, because after this I have to like make sure my husband gets up and like he's getting ready and it's a whole thing. So yeah, I'm running like kind of low on time. So I'm thinking we're just gonna do like all shimmer on the lid. Cause yeah, there's just a lot I have to do by the time we need to leave to get to my mom's to do hair and stuff. So I am like really wanting to go in with the shade Haunted right here. It just looks absolutely beautiful. This is another shade that it looks much more darker, like more like true blue, but on the screen it's looking more more like green blue. So we'll see how that goes on the eyes. Okay. Okay. That is absolutely freaking beautiful right there. Like, it is more green toned. I would call this like a peacock shade. Like that peacock blue green. Like a, would you call that teal? I don't know. I'm not the best with color shade names, you guys, but I love this. I absolutely love this. This is just so beautiful. That is like exactly what I needed. That is just stunning, you guys. Absolutely stunning. I love that so much. Okay, now for the lower lash line. I am just not liking my hair this limp and with no volume. It is like absolutely driving me crazy. Okay, so for the lower lash line, let's go in with the shade Knives, which is this shade right here. I just cannot get over how pretty that shade is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, love that. Now for the lower inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with the shade Killer, which is that shade right there. So many sparkles. I just love that. Okay, now for the next eye. And you guys, I keep like wanting to like run something by you, but I want to do it like where enough people will get to hear it. But I was thinking like if I could figure it out, like it'd maybe be fun to like live stream on my channel, maybe on like a Friday night or something, or like Saturday night. And it was just a thought. Just, you know, if I can, because I know there's some stuff I would need to get that is kind of pricey, so it might take a while before I could get to that point. But I was just thinking that maybe be something fun to do. We could all hang out, really be more interactive, talk makeup or whatever. I just kind of thought that might be fun. Okay, you guys, now we're going to go in with the shade Maniac for the next eye. Yeah, let's do the shade Maniac. My hair is just so much harder to contain when it's wet than when it's dry, which I totally thought it would have been the opposite. It's just making me crazy. Yeah, I'm just having a wild, out of control wet hair day right now. It is just, I can't win. All right. Now for some glitter glue. Just all over the lid because we're going all glitter. Going all in with the glitter today. Or shimmers, I should say. They're technically not glitters, they're shimmers. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out what shade do I want to go in with, because yeah, I guess that's different enough. Okay, let's go with the shade Boiler Room right here. Okay, another gorgeous, gorgeous shade. This one is like more true green. Oh my gosh, the shimmer in this is phenomenal. I just love when I look up and I just see like shimmer all over my lids. I absolutely love that. Just so pretty. Okay. Now for the lower lash line. I'm thinking let's just do that same shade Knives right there. just want to blend that out just a little bit because for some reason on that eye it just went like a lot darker. So I'm just going to take like a brush with nothing on it and just like lightly blend that out a little bit. Okay. Now for the lower inner corner highlight, you guys. I'm just going with that shade Killer as well. Which is right there. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I am just looking like a drowned wet dog. Total hot mess, but that's okay. Here are the finished looks. And I absolutely love these. I love how the looks came out. Beautiful, fun palette. I love this color story. And again, this was the Glamlite A Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy Krueger palette. And here's one more look at the inside of this palette. I absolutely love this. This color story is just absolutely amazing. I feel like you can do a lot more with it than with the red color story. But again, I do think the Dream Master palette, which is the red one, has its place. I'm telling you, Valentine's Day, that palette is going to be amazing. So that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for supporting me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're more a fan of the red palette or this more green, blue, brownish palette. Did you like the lipsticks? Are you a fan of the blush? Did you pick anything up from the collection? Let me know down below. And just please remember that you are amazing, you're loved, and just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.